All right, let's get it going. If you guys have never seen me before, Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings, and on this live we're going to be working on this 1992 90% silver proof half dollar. It's got some really nice blue toning on it. Really pretty coin. And we're going to make this into a ring today. Let's go. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in it. Let me get that set up here. While I work on this, if anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. First, we got to punch a hole. Just like that. See how our coin's looking. Looks pretty good. Alright, so the next step, if you look on the inside here, you can see it's pretty rough and sharp. We're going to use a deburring tool to smooth that out. That's this guy right here. Really sharp curved blade that rotates in a circle. It's really good for cleaning out the inside of coin rings. It's not the one I wanted though. I want the silver one. This one cuts half dollars really nicely. Look at that. Like butter. That looks much better. Use a little bit of steel wool to smooth that inside out. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. If you'd like to check out what this coin ring looks like when it's finished, you can tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. And I'm trying to figure out, I've got a coupon voucher set up. Somebody's claimed one. It's 10% off pretty much anything I have for sale here on TikTok. See if you guys can find it. I don't know where it is. Somebody found it, but I don't know where. It might just be by tapping the shopping cart. It might be on the shop itself. I honestly don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. So if anybody finds that, let me know. So next we're going to anneal this. Top left corner, like on the screen right now. Or like on the product page. Looks like a pole. Huh. I don't see anything. That's interesting. Well, I guess you can claim that. That's good for 14 days. 10% off anything I sell on TikTok. There's 1,000 of them. So if you want one, I guess tap on it and claim it. I think that's how it works. Give it a whirl. Gnarled King, if you would do me a favor, I don't know if this is too big of an ask, but would you take a screenshot of what you're saying right now and like email it to me at info@coinringmaker.com so I can see what you guys see? If that's too much, don't worry about it, but that would be really helpful. It's at the bottom of the page, good citizen. I don't know. I need to get like a second TikTok account so I can see what it looks like. TikTok isn't great at briefing people on how to use these features, but I'm trying. It's our first fold. Thank you very much. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. We're making a 1992 silver proof $50 into coin ring. And if anybody wants to get one, tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching. We're going to go ahead and anneal it again. And make sure we keep the metal nice and soft all the way throughout. Sand down this cut edge real quick. Thank you very much. I just got your email, man. I really appreciate that. It's hard to direct people when I don't know where things are, so that's going to help me out a lot. Thank you very much. Shout out to Gnarled King. If y'all aren't following him yet, give him a follow. He's earned it. Going above and beyond for me. I do appreciate it. Looking really good. Very nice. I'm going to stretch it out a little bit. I can't believe it. I have almost finished a whole box of paper, like blue paper towels. It says there are 200 towels in there. I used 200 paper towels. That's wild. Tell you what, they're handy. Looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and anneal it again. It's probably a little early, but it's better safe than sorry. And it's going along so smoothly. Coupon is also in the drop-down cart. That's where I thought it would be. But on my last live, people said they couldn't see it there. I don't know. TikTok's weird. I appreciate you checking it out. But yeah, there should be like a 10% off coupon voucher. You can claim it right now if you want. There's 1,000 of them. It's good for 14 days, and anything I sell here on TikTok is going to make it 10% off. So go ahead and snag some of those. Snag one. I think it's limit one per person, but if you want one, you can get one. Whoa. If anybody has any questions, let me know. Look at that sucker. How big is she? Almost 14. And we need to get it down to 12 and a quarter. So we're gonna hop over here. It's looking pretty sharp. Hopefully this is like, yeah, still gonna be a good size. So next we got to get rid of this inside lip right here, a raised bit of metal. Let's go. Silver one. See how close we are. 12 and a quarter. Spot freaking on, y'all. Well, almost. There we go. Right on 12 and a quarter. Perfect. Now we get to do my favorite part. is where we make it nice and shiny. Gonna get some polish. Make it nice and shiny. Let's go. Who out there likes shiny stuff? I like shiny stuff. Oof, a little slippery. Look at that, it's already cleaning up really good. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Freaking awesome. I'm gonna have to make me one of these. They're too pretty. If anybody else wants one, tap the shopping cart. You can get 10% off right now if you claim the voucher somewhere up here, top right. If you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't yet, hit the follow button. And I don't know. Hope you all have a great day. This thing came out really nice. How hard would it be to make one with the year 1978? I have those in copper-clad quarters and half dollars. They didn't really do silver in 78. So that's a little tricky. But if you go through the link in my profile, there's a filtered search at the top of my website's shop page. You can just filter the year 1978 and it'll pull up all the coin rings I can make for that year. Sure thing, man. If anybody else has any questions, let me know. This thing is freaking awesome. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Check, check, check. Beautiful. I really, really like it. Very handsome ring. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope the rest of your day is fan-freaking-tastic, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.